Sometimes words ain't enough. Sometimes you need a knife. Especially when you're doing an unboxing. Welcome to the unboxing of the Surface Go. Let's jump in it. This is the Microsoft Surface Go. As you can see here, it's got a nice box. Let's go ahead and flip her around and see all the information about it. This is the 128 gigabyte 8 gig RAM version. It comes with Windows 10 in S mode. And what that practically means is that it's in a streamlined mode whereby you have to install all the apps that are on the Microsoft Store. You can bypass this by upgrading to the regular version of Windows 10. Based on what I've learned, it's a one-way trip. So if you leave S mode, you can't come back. So make your decision carefully. I'm going to actually keep the Go in S mode for a little while and see how far I can get with it. So let's go ahead and grab our knife and get to cutting. This reminds me of the shark scene in Jaws with Richard Dreyfuss. Hopefully there's no fishy smell after she's been eating up all the creatures in the ocean and surfers and that kind of stuff. So far so good. And the nice slow slide that we've all come to love. It's like ketchup. Come on. Come on. Oh yes. And there she is. Little pull tab. Helps you get her out of the box. And the next thing we all love is that sound. You know, one time I was in the T-Mobile store and the young lady was gonna take the plastic off my iPhone. I was like, no, this is for me. This is for me. Oh yes. There we go. There we go. Actually, the Surface Go is, wow, way lighter than I would have imagined. Feels amazing. As you can see, it's got the magnesium construction, the Windows logo, the back-facing camera. Here's your front camera here for video conferencing. And you also have a camera, a little infrared camera right there that looks at your face for Windows Hello, so it logs you in when you look at the camera. It has the traditional kickstand that we're all familiar with on the Surface product line. Okay, bends to quite a few degrees here. And we also have, on the other side, micro SD slot for expandable storage, the Surface Connect charger, and a USB Type-C port and headphone jack. On the bottom, we have our magnetic connector that the keyboard will snap into. At the top, we have our power button, and we also have our volume rocker. Let's go ahead and see what else is in the box. We have a little package here that contains all your documentation. And in here, we have, I'm going to guess, the charging apparatus. So we go ahead and plug that right into the wall and put our connector right on the side, like so, magnetically. I also have some accessories. I have the Surface pen, because I'm an artist and I will be drawing quite extensively on this guy here. And the Alcantara signature type cover with this beautiful fabric. Well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and look at the Surface Go. Beautiful device. I can't not wait to start using it. And in the next video, we'll talk about whether or not the Surface Go is suitable for professional artists or just for hobbyists. So be on the lookout for that video. If this video has been helpful in any way, please feel free to subscribe. Hit the bell button so you can be notified of when I upload new videos, and also follow me on social media. Until next time, guys, take care and peace.